Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are diving into a festive world of creativity and craftsmanship as we explore an exciting holiday project, wooden Christmas trees. If you love rustic decor, eco-friendly designs, or simply want to add a personal touch to your holiday space, you're in for a treat. So grab your tools and let's craft some wooden Christmas magic. Wooden Christmas trees come in all shapes and sizes. From minimalist Scandinavian-inspired designs to intricate, handcrafted pieces filled with personality. The possibilities are endless. You can create a modern sleek look with smooth polished wood or go for something organic by using reclaimed or raw timber. And the best part, no two trees will ever be exactly the same. Whether you're making a tabletop tree with small spaces or a full-sized wooden masterpiece, the creative freedom is all yours. Want a pop of color? Paint your tree in bold festive shades or keep it natural for a warm rustic vibe. Now let's talk materials. For this project, you will need some basic supplies. Wood of course, plus sandpaper, paint or stain, wood glue and a saw if you are starting from scratch. If you are reusing old plants or pallets, make sure to clean and prep them for crafting. For those who prefer quicker approach, pre-cut wooden slats from your local craft store will work just fine. Don't forget your creative extras. You might want to gather some twine, ornaments, fairy lights, or even pine cones to make your tree truly one of a kind. Alright, now that we have everything ready, let's start building. First up, design. Sketch how tall and wide you want your tree to be. Then start cutting your wood into triangular shapes or strips for a more layered look. Next, assemble your base. Use wood glue to secure the pieces in place, or for more stability, add screws or nails to the joints. Remember to sand down the edges for a smooth finish. This is where your craftsmanship really shines. Once the structure is complete, it is time to get creative. Paint or stain your tree. Then add your favorite holiday embellishments. This is where your personality can really come through. How about a vintage look with distressed paint or a whimsical touch with brightly colored garlands? Now that your wooden Christmas tree is built, let's make it stand out. One option is to keep it simple. Natural wood grain adorned with just a few twinkling lights for a minimalist chic look. Or go all out with colorful ornaments, hand-painted designs, or even adding small shelves between the layers for displaying holiday trinkets. Want more ideas? Try a wall-mounted version for a space-saving alternative, or a collapsible wooden tree that you can pack away and reuse every year. You can even create a family crafting tradition by making personalized wooden ornaments to hang on to your tree each season. As the holidays approach, there is nothing quite like the joy of decorating your home with something you have made yourself. Wooden Christmas trees are not only beautiful but durable. They're also a wonderful way to celebrate the season's sustainability. But here's the exciting part. Your holiday creativity doesn't have to stop here. Imagine crafting an entire wooden winter wonderland. From wooden reindeer to handmade ornaments, or even a stunning wooden centerpiece for your dining table. Your imagination is the only limit. You could create wooden stars to hang from the ceiling, a festive sign for your front door, or even personalized wooden stocking holders for the mantel. The beauty of working with wood is that you can create pieces that are timeless and reusable year after year. So why not make this holiday season your craftiest one? We hope this project inspires you to think beyond tradition and create something uniquely yours. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just getting started, the magic of creating with your hands is a gift in itself. Thank you so much for watching and crafting along with us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more wooden craft ideas every week. We have got plenty more festive projects coming your way, like how to create a wooden advent calendar or even wooden holiday-themed wall art. And remember, we want to see your creations. Drop a comment below or share your wooden Christmas trees with us on social media using the hashtag #MyWoodenChristmas. Who knows, your project could be featured in one of our upcoming videos. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and have yourself a wonderful holiday season.